Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and we get reps coming all the time. Do you want to sell these? Do you want to sell those? Do you want to sell? And I'm, no, I'm all right. I'm all right. Until the young lady that came in, and she brought these walking boots in, and I started off with the, no, it's not our thing. I'm not really bothered. And she got me the way I get you lot. She said to me, here's a lovely walking boot from a company called Grisport, or is it Grisport or Grisport? All right, wherever they're from anyway. And one of the videos, of there's a GRI set up and then sport down below. So that would let you think it was Grisport. But anyway, she said, just put your foot in this boot, see what it feels like. So I did, and she got me. It was beautiful. It just felt absolutely fantastic. And then she went on to say which recommended brand has been a great best all-round walking shoes. So I said, yeah, go on then, let's try some, because that feels great. I mean, even if just I want a pair. And then Paul came round and said, what's going off? Having a sniff about. Weren't you, Paul?
Yeah.
What's going off? And then Paul said, God, let me put my foot in one of those. For when Paul goes walking, he doesn't like a boot, he likes a shoe. So, all right. Well, you've got that many cars and bikes. What was the full retail on that? No? Does anybody know? Oh, anyway, really good. Really good. Put his foot in it. Felt great, yeah? Yep. So, I tried these, and you know, this collar around here on a lot of walking boots, that's like vinyl, and this is all leather. It's got the Vibram sole unit on. I have been online and had a look. Look, bellows tongue, and all this is leather here. So there's no vinyl on this. The bellows tongue it's saying that it's water resistant and everything. So I'm going to give them a go, and if we get on with them, we're going to start retailing them. I think this walking boot full retail is about 125. Of course, you'll get your 10% discount on that, but I'm going to give them a go. So today I'm going to put these on and start walking and see how we get on. It's not normally our thing, but you know, if they're comfortable, they do. They feel really good. Really good. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. That's a video. Me starting to wear these, and I'll do you a little bit of report of how I'm getting on with them.